ERacer Motorcycle officially presented two new special models based on Zero motorcycles. The Edge, a Zero SRF cafe racer, and the Rugged MARK2, based on the Zero FXS. In this video we're going to focus on the Rugged MARK2, but poke around my channel as I'll cover the Edge bike as well. But before we jump into this, who is ERacer? Well, they're a motorcycle design shop based in Bologna, Italy, founded by Aldo De Giovanni, who made a name for himself designing some innovative products for the Italian, Chinese, and Vietnamese EV market. Presented at EICMA 2018 as a prototype, the Rugged, based on the Zero FXS, has been re-engineered and optimized to officially go into production, and will be available for the first customers in spring 2020. One of the main features of the Rugged is the auxiliary aluminum frame with side rings to be tied and towed or hoisted onto boats or pickups. Originally, the Zero FXS was a military-purpose motorcycle. With the ERacer upgrade, this attitude has been emphasized. The front and back light are full LED and homologated results of the German experience in most advanced LED technologies, like the front headlight, consisting of two micro units of just 4 centimeters in width. Compared to the original model, the Rugged has an underseat storage compartment accessible thanks to the mechanism that uses hydraulic pistons anchored to a laser-cut aluminum structure with a backlit Rugged logo. In the underseat, there's a double USB socket as well as a illuminated room large enough to contain a rain jacket or a 15-meter charging cable, very useful for occasional recharges in restaurants, shops, or private homes where a nearby power unit is available. To make the charging procedure even easier, the socket has been positioned in the compartment in order to protect it from the bad weather and dirt. The saddle, which is long and flat to comfortably carry 3 people, is handmade and enriched with an exclusive hand-stitched textile designed by the ERacer design team. One of the missions for which the Rugged is designed is to be a land tender for large boats, which is why the idea of transporting 3 or 4 people, material, or equipment are part of the project. The Rugged is equipped with 12 small eagle eyes, which are LED lights that allow the rider to have a pyramidal 360-degree illuminated view at night, which is very useful when riding at night in difficult terrains. The whole bike has been treated with Line X, an extremely resistant armor paint, a former military patent, which makes this bike incredibly resistant to the adversity of the city or on an extreme off-road use. That way, they say the Rugged is a life-proof motorcycle. The ERacer team wanted to evolve the functions of the bike in addition to just the design, so they went out to improve the safety and driving performance of the powerful electric motorcycle. So sound engineers, audio system experts, and programmers worked to develop a dedicated app and hardware to meet the need. What the team came up with is the Audio Forceback, or ERAF. It's composed of an integrated hardware controlled by a BT app to produce high and low frequency sound waves with a dual function. The first function is to warn pedestrians and other road users of the presence of the electric vehicle. As the low frequencies are easily adjustable in the distance, the trebles are more audible to the proximity and help to understand the direction of the incoming vehicle. The second function is to provide a force feedback to the rider. The subsonic speaker produces vibrations that change according to the speed of the motorcycle to give the rider a sensorial feel of the performance. But let's talk about some quick specs. Max power is 46 horsepower, max torque is 106 Newton meters, max speed is 137 kilometers an hour, and charging time with max accessory chargers is 1.8 hours to 100%, or 1.3 hours to 95% charged. Range in the city on a highway is about 161 kilometers an hour, and altogether weighs 136 kilograms. The price of the Edge starts from €6,000 plus the cost of the donor motorcycle. The first 5 units were entirely made to meet the specifications required by the pre-order customers, will be delivered by spring 2020. Now, that's all I have for you today. What are your thoughts on the Rugged MARK2? Personally, I love it. It's the badass look that could really help usher in the future of electric motorcycles. Great work coming out of Italy. But let me know your thoughts below in the comments.